Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you all the new dirt bike stand I built. I got the little C-clamp, the stand, and my dirt bike. That stand's pretty high for the dirt bike. It would probably work good for a 150 or 150 or 250. It'd probably work pretty good. And I found this piece of wood. It's kind of curved up. That way when you put the bike on it, it kind of goes flat instead of going down. Yeah, and it's been raining over here. I'm really hating it. But I'm going to put the bike on the stand. I'll set you all up right there. Okay. I really hope my wind doesn't blow the bike over. Okay, so now I come over here, and the panel right there, I have this little C-clamp. I take the C-clamp, and I stick it right there, and I tighten it down to the wood. Okay, watch. I'm going to show y'all before the little C-clamp. It's not that unsteady, but with the C-clamp, it makes it quite a bit steadier. I like the C-clamp. Okay. This is hard to do one-handed. Really hard to do. Dang it. I had to take the carburetor apart. I was riding, and it started putt-putting. And when I took the carburetor apart, I lost a piece. So my uncle came and worked on it, and he made a new piece out of a Coke can, I think. I wasn't here, I was at my cousin's. And it runs a little bit rich now. I ordered a carburetor kit for it off Amazon for $40. Yeah, $40. And should be in between the June 28th or the July 6th, in between those days. Okay, I got the clamp finally tightened down. Now, it's a lot sturdier. Okay, I gotta get a towel. I kept on putting my hand on it and the fender, so now it got a little bit muddy. I don't like to, but if I had to, I could stand on it if I had to work on it, or if I needed to start it or something. After I changed the oil, I could start it and let it run for a second, check the oil. And another thing I like about this, it's the perfect height. I have a little workbench. It's the perfect height. I can work on the chain if I need to. Matter of fact, I don't know if I want to do that. My little thing's cracked. I don't know if that's bad or not. The bike wasn't all that expensive. It was only $800. It's a 2012 Honda CRF 100. And then my boots have been rubbing that off. One day, I'm gonna buy me a KTM 125, and I think I'm gonna start racing. But yeah, this thing's decked out. I need to fix my kickstand. Not my kickstand, my foot peg. I don't have the key in it right now, but what the? How did timer? It's not even in gear. What the hell? What the hell? No kidding. I don't know if they're just supposed to be there. I don't know. Tell me, is the back tire supposed to move or no? Okay. I don't think it's in gear. No, it wasn't in gear. My suspension travels pretty far. I'm gonna go. I don't think the chain needs to be tightened right yet.